Amy Arcario, the Associate Director of International Admission here at St. John's, and I'll be your main point of contact if you have any questions throughout the application process.
Hey everybody, my name's Amy Schoenfeld. I'm the Director for the International Student and Scholar Services Office. My office is here for you as an international student or scholar. We're the first place to contact if you have questions about your immigration status or if you're feeling homesick and need a place to go.
Welcome to the Peter J. Tobin College of Business. We have 7 different majors. We have fast track programs into 8 different graduate programs, including our MBA program, our MS in Accounting, MS Tax.
Hello from the Tobin College of Business. Welcome to St. John's.
Welcome to St. John's University and St. John's College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. We are the oldest college of the university, and we offer a wide variety of majors and minors in the traditional liberal arts and the humanities, in the social and behavioral sciences, and in the quote-unquote hard sciences.
Father Mike Cummins, an assistant dean in the Collins College. The college is famous for its rich array of career-oriented programs in computer science and sports management, hospitality management, criminal justice, legal studies.
Hi, this is Dr. Dowden from the School of Education. One of the unique things about our program, unlike other programs, is that you will be in a classroom almost immediately. The field work that you have to do to become a teacher is actually integrated into the courses that you're going to take.
Hi, my name is Rocío. I'm from Spain. I'm a biomedical science major, and I love my program because it doesn't only let me learn about science, but also learn how a hospital is managed.
Hi, I'm Professor Brian James at St. John's University Graphic Design program. Some general tips that anyone could consider when putting their portfolios together. We recommend 12 to 15 images for your strongest work. And while we recommend focusing on the strongest work, we also say it's really good to save a little bit of space for some interesting pieces you've done that may not be 100% finished, but that show your visual thinking a little bit and engagement with things even beyond your specialized medium.
I hope this video helps you learn a little bit more about who we are at St. John's, and I really hope that we're able to have you on campus here soon. Have a very successful year.
We are